Welcome back to another video! And today I'm joined by nobody. And for the first 2 minutes, I'm gonna kind of tell you guys some stuff. So, music video. I might be getting a music video soon. I have got the script. Now all I need is people acting, and I need some. I'm gonna have some band. It's kind of all going step by step. Also, my tripod should be here in the next 7 days, so I'll be able to start doing more and showing you more. Wait, it's almost Christmas, so yeah. Oh yeah, and one last thing. Smash that like button in the face and subscribe. So this is how you're gonna push the like button today. So see, this is the like button. If you have a cat or maybe you have a dog, you can have your dog or cat go up to it and go smash that like button in the face. And the goal for today is to get 7 likes on this video. If we can do that, I will go down in the comments next video, and you guys can suggest me a video, and I will do it. And let's get on to the day with the main thing, and we are reviewing a Nerf gun. This thing is so big, I can't even show it all on screen, so I'm gonna try to. Okay, guys, I'm kind of doing a little overpass on it. That's how big it is. And we're reviewing it. So, it is called the Air Warrior Sniper Ultra Tech. Now, we're just going to start here. This is not the mag it comes with. I will go get the mag if I can find it. Okay, guys, so I know where it is, but I don't want to go get it. Well, because it's kind of somewhere. But it's a yellow one. It holds 8 darts. This one holds 6. So what you're going to do is, you're going to fire it, and then how you get it loaded is you take this, cock it back like that, and you can have Aerial Warrior darts, but I don't think I have any on me right now. Oh, yep, I do. This is an Air Warrior's dart. They're kind of sticky there, so I'll demonstrate with these. So you kind of have this, and you got to slide it in there, but you can't make it go too much like that like you can with a different gun. So, all you do is load it in there. I think you guys can kind of see that. It's kind of loaded in there. And then you kind of cock that forward, press that back, and then you can fire away. It shoots very hard, very good accuracy, and shoots about 12 feet or so. Well, okay, so I measured how far it shoots. It shoots 12 to 25 feet at this one. And this can come off, this barrel right here. So you can kind of come off here. Then you can just screw it back on. And so can this. This can come off. It's a nice little scope here. See, you guys can kind of see it through there. And that only looks like, yeah, I'll show you what it looks like then. Looks like this. And that's a whole lot shorter. But if you want to put this back on, all you gotta do with the scope is, and it shoots no different. I think the only thing with this, if you took the barrel off, it shot another maybe 2 feet. So you can still shoot it like this here. I'll demonstrate. Gotta load up our magazine here. Again, I'm gonna do elite dart this time. Oh, see, I kind of messed up there. So I kind of did that on purpose because I had to show you guys how to get this out. So you kind of got to tip it up like this. And then you just got to get your hand in there. Oh, there we go. Okay, this is how you get the mags out. There's a button right here. You pull that back. And this thing has to be back to do that, or it doesn't work. So then you just kind of slide that in there, like I showed you. Put that in. And then you... Okay, that one did not do on purpose, and it's still not working, so let's just try with an Air Warriors dart. Sometimes I can get it to work with different darts. There we go, it worked that time. See, it shoots basically no different, and if you want to attach this, you gotta make sure it's lined up right. Just kind of checking down the barrel, making sure it's not too thing. And then back here, it's got a very good grip, and this thing goes very good against your shoulder. If you want to flip it over, it just looks like this. Really no difference. This can retail to about 25 to 45 is what I found online. I got this for free because a friend didn't want it and gave it to me, and because he didn't know how to load it right, and well, it works fine. Actually, when I figure out how to do it, so yeah, it works perfectly fine, as you guys saw. Just without the elite darts, it's kind of doesn't work. But I'm gonna toss that out of here. Bloop. There you go. So. That's kind of like the end of this video almost. But I'm just gonna kind of talk about some things. First, oh yeah, I'm gonna show you my merch. Actually, I think I've already showed you this. I've already showed you my merch. But yeah, that's gonna be today's video. Remember, smash a couple likes on this video, a 7, and I will be bringing more news about the music videos soon. And I'll see you all next time.